So we'll see what is the quadratic expression and what we can able to find in this quadratic expression. So quadratic expression means only that is the statement, that is ax square plus bx plus c. If I consider, this is the quadratic expression. Means it is only the statement, there is no conclusion at all. Suppose if it is equal to 0, then I can find the solutions or the roots of this equation, I can able to find it. If there is a quadratic expression, only the statement is there without the conclusion, then what we can able to find in this? So in this expression, if I goes on keeping the different values of the x, this expression is going to give the different values. Okay. So out of those values, we can able to find what is the maximum value of this expression and what will be the minimum value of this expression, and for what value of the x it is giving the maximum and for what value of the x it is giving the minimum. That only we can able to find it, right? Means for the quadratic expression, we can able to find what will be its maximum value and what will be its minimum value for the different values of the x. Okay. So how do you find that? First listen this proof carefully. This is expression ax square plus bx plus c. So from this, I will take a common. I will take the a common first. If I take the a common, then what we will get it? X square
x square plus bx
b
plus
upon a
b upon ax plus
plus
c
a
upon
upon
a.
a. Okay. Now, so the first two terms we will try to express as the perfect square format. Perfect square means either we will convert in the form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square whose formula is a square plus 2ab
Plus
plus b
2
square. In that format we will bring that. So for that, first term x square, already square is there. Second term we want 2ab term, but here 2 is not there. So multiply and divided by that 2. So 2 into b by 2a into x I can write it. So multiply and divided by that 2. Now it is converted to the format of 2ab form. Further, we require the b square term, which is not there. Add b square term and subtract the b square term. B means here b by 2a. Add b by 2a whole square, that is b square by 4a square, and subtract b square by 4a square. Plus there is a constant c by a is there. Okay. So it is 2ab form. Further, add b square term. B means b by 2a whole square, which is b square by 4a square, and subtract that term. Let's observe the first three terms, which is a into, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square form. This is expansion of a plus b whole square.
a plus b
A
whole
plus b whole
square
square means x plus b by 2a
x
whole
plus
square,
b
you
by
can write it.
2a
Whole square. Like that you can write it. Now, ये दोनों टर्म कैल्शियम क्या है?
4a square.
4a
square. न्यूमरेटर में क्या मिलेगा?
minus b
Four
square
a
minus b square plus
4ac
4c
minus b square.
4ac. So that's why that is I can write that 4ac minus b square. You can write it now. 4ac minus b square. Okay. Now here a is there. Multiply by this a. Then this is I can write that a into x plus b by 2a whole square plus, if you multiply by this a gets cancelled, then we are getting that 4ac minus b square by 4a.
4a.
Okay, so this is this expression we can able to write it. Means ax square plus bx plus c we can write like this. Okay. Now from this we will go for the analysis now. In that the first analysis, suppose if a is positive. Suppose a, that is the coefficient of x square is positive. Then what about the for all x belongs to R, for all the real values of the x, observe that now. A is positive, right? For all x belongs to R, x plus b by 2a whole square. It is whole square means this is also positive, no? For any value of the x, since there is a perfect square. Perfect square
Yes.
never gives the negative value. This always gives positive, right? Plus something is there. Means this expression is like that. A into x plus b by 2a whole square plus 4ac minus b square by 4a. This is that expression. When a is positive, this is positive, and for all x belongs to R, this is also positive. Means for this value, I am adding some positive value. For this value, I am adding some positive value. Suppose if there is a k, if I add some positive value for this k, this total value will be more than k, na?
more than k.
More than k, right? Means
Yeah.
for this also I am adding some positive value, means this total value is greater than or equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. पूरा value इससे भी ज्यादा रहते ना? That means this is the value, that is nothing but a square plus bx plus c is greater than or equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. For all the values of the x, whatever may be the value of the x, this expression is going to give 4ac minus b square by 4a or more than that. More than that means this will be the minimum value. That's why the minimum value of the expression is 4ac minus b square by 4a. Understand? So this is equivalent to this when this expression is equivalent to this when if this is 0. Right? Suppose if this term is 0,
Yes.
then this is equivalent to this now. When this term becomes
Yes.
0, when this term becomes 0,
When
When
a is
X,
equals to zero.
X
If A is equals to
A
0.
is
equal to
0.
ना ये 0 नहीं होता ना, quadratic equation and it is quadratic
X
बोले
plus
तो
b
external
by
X
2x.
equals to 0.
नहीं, x equal to 0 से 0 नहीं होता
x
ना.
plus b by
X
2a.
plus b by
x
2.
plus b by 2a
X
equal
plus
to
b
0.
by 2a.
B by
x
2a
plus b by 2a
0.
equal to 0 बोले तो x कितना होता? x equal to how much?
0.
Minus b by
minus
2a.
Minus b by 2a.
Minus
So when x is equal to minus b by 2a, this expression is equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. So that will be the minimum value of this expression. Understand? So this is the point you have to remember. Whenever coefficient of x square is positive, remember that. Coefficient of x square is positive, then this expression will have minimum value. That minimum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a, and this is available at x is equal to minus b by 2a. That is the point you have to remember, right? So when coefficient of x square is equal to positive, coefficient of x square is positive, then that quadratic expression contains the minimum value, and its minimum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a, and this minimum value is available at x is equal to minus b by 2a, right? When x is equal to minus b by 2a, this expression is going to give minimum. That is the point you have to remember. Therefore, when x is equal to minus b by 2a, the minimum value is 4ac minus b square upon 4a. That is the point you have to remember. Understand? Okay. First write down this expression up to here. So write down this up to here. Now, look at the second case. So in this case too, suppose if I take that a is negative. If a is negative means coefficient of x square is negative, and for all x belongs to R, if I consider this expression is equal to this much, a into x plus b by 2a whole square plus 4ac minus b square by 4a. If I consider this expression, just observe that when a is negative, means this term is negative, na? This is negative, and for any value of the x, since it is a whole square is there, perfect square, that means it never gives the negative. This is always 0 or positive, right? So this is positive, but a is negative. Negative into positive,
Negative.
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 This total value is negative, right? Means for this value, I am adding some negative. For this value, if I add some negative value, then this total value becomes smaller than this. Suppose if there is a 2.
sir.
For this, if I add some negative value, for that 2, if I add some negative value, this total value becomes smaller than 2 now. So 2,
Yes.
Yes.
so 2. That's why this total value will be the smaller than or equal to the 4ac minus b square by 4a. This total value is smaller than this. Means for any value of the x, this expression is less than or equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. Means it is going to give the less than that. Less than that means that will be the maximum value. This is the maximum value. When this is equivalent to, when this is equal to the 4ac minus b square by 4a, if this term is 0, this is 0, this expression is equal to this much now. So if this term is 0
Yes.
means x is equal to
Minus
b by
2a.
2a.
See, this is also the point you have to remember. So this expression will give the maximum when coefficient of x square is negative. And the coefficient of x square is the negative for any expression, that expression gives the maximum, and that maximum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. So that is available at x equal to minus b by 2a. This is also point you have to remember. So maximum or minimum value is say 4ac minus b square by 4a only, but any expression gives either maximum or any minimum only, any one value only it will give it. So if x square coefficient is the positive, that expression will give the minimum. Coefficient of x square is the negative, that expression will give the maximum. That is the point you have to remember, right? Therefore, yet when x is equal to minus b by 2a, it will give the maximum value. So maximum, that value is equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. This is the point you have to remember. Okay. So this is the point you have to remember about the quadratic expression. Remember that. Okay. So means ax square plus bx plus c will have the maximum when x square coefficient has negative sign. This will have the minimum when the x square coefficient has the positive sign. So if x square, coefficient of x square is the positive, it will have the minimum value. Coefficient of x square has the negative sign, then it will have the maximum value. That minimum or maximum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. So that is available at x equal to minus b by 2a. This is the point you have to remember. Okay. Just write on this case 2 only. This is already written. Just write down up here, from here.
So there, if x equal to minus b by 2a, then it will be a minimum value, no?
Nice. Okay. So take some example here. Suppose, for example, first one, what is the maximum value of 3 plus 4x minus 3x square? So this is the quadratic expression. I want to find the maximum value of this expression. Why? Because here coefficient of x square has a negative sign, minus 3 na? So we know that when the coefficient of x square has a negative sign, that expression gives maximum value. That expression will have maximum value. So what is that maximum value? What is the formula for the maximum value? 4ac
4ac
minus b square by
4ac minus b square upon 4a.
4a. That is the maximum value. So it is 4 into a. A means x square coefficient, that is minus 3. C means constant, that is 3. Minus b square. B square means x coefficient, 4 square, that is 16. Upon 4 into a means minus 3. Okay. Now, it is a minus sign. 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 24. Minus 24 minus 16. Minus 24 minus 16, that is minus 40 upon minus
Sir,
12.
12 trees are 36.
Sorry.
Yes, sir. So minus 52
Sorry,
upon.
sir. Minus 52.
Minus 52 by minus.
Minus 52
13.
upon minus 12. So minus minus got
13
cancelled.
by 3.
13 by 3. So that is the maximum value of that expression. Okay, and when it is possible, when x is equal to minus b by 2a,
minus b by a.
minus b by 2a. b value क्या है इधर 4 upon 2 into a is minus 3 ना,
Yes.
minus minus gets cancel, 2 2 means 2 by 3.
minus 3.
So
2 by 3.
when x is equal to 2 by 3, this expression gives the maximum, and that maximum value is 13 by 3, right? Means substitute that x equal to 2 by 3 in
Sir,
that. So
सर वो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू निकालने के लिए जो 4ac माइनस बी स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 है उसकी जगह x इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी बाई 2 है तो डाला तो निकल जाएगा ना?
वही आएगा ना, सेम आता है, x इक्वल टू 2 by 3 आ गया हमको इधर, ये 2 by 3 से सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो यही वैल्यू आता है, दैट इज द मैक्सिमम.
डाला तो वही आएगा ना?
वही पे आएगा, आने पड़ेगा, तो वही है ना हमारा प्रूफ, वही है ना, कंपल्सरी वही वैल्यू आना पड़ेगा. Okay, so suppose if you substitute any other value for the x, if you substitute any value as you like, compulsorily that expression gives the less than this only. It never gives more than that because this is only the maximum value. Okay, so like that you can find maximum value of that particular expression. Take that.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Now look at the second problem. What is the minimum value of the expression? Minimum value of 2x square plus x plus 3. Suppose if we consider this quadratic expression, right? Here x square coefficient has the positive sign. When the coefficient of x square is positive, that expression always gives minimum. Always gives minimum. Okay? And that minimum value is also 4ac minus b square by 4a. Calculate it.
23 by 8.
23 by 8. Good. What is the value of the x? 4 into a. A means 2. C means 3 minus b square means 1 upon 4 into a means 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 minus 1. That is 23 upon 8. 23 upon 8 will be its minimum value. That is when x is equal to minus b by 2a. So it is minus b means 1.
Minus 1 by
Upon
8.
1 by 8. No, 1 by 4 है ना?
4. 1 by 4. Minus 1 by
Minus
4.
1 by 4. When x is equal to minus 1 by 4, when x is equal to minus 1 by 4, this expression gives the minimum value, and that minimum value is this much. Understand? Okay. So like that, theoretically we can find what is the maximum or minimum value of that particular expression. Now, we will go for the graphical approach of this. So, how the graph will be for it? Just go for the graphical approach. That is, suppose if the quadratic expression, that is ax square plus bx plus c, if it is the quadratic expression, I will take that is equal to say y. That y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So if you consider any quadratic expression, if you draw the graph of it, so that graph we will call it as a parabola. So the parabola always represent a quadratic expression, remember that. So for drawing the graph of it, all the x values will take on the x-axis. The corresponding y values will take on the y-axis. So here the first case, suppose if a is positive, if a is positive, x square coefficient is positive, then we know that this expression will have the minimum value. That expression will have the minimum value. What is that minimum value?
4ac minus b square.
4ac minus b
4ac
square by
minus
4a.
b square by 4a.
So that's why. So if you draw the graph of that, the graph might be like this. Draw the graph of that, the graph might be like this. Means it will decreases and reaches the minimum value. After reaching the minimum value, again it will increases. So at the maximum side, it does not exist because it is the open curve. It is not the closed curve. The graph will be like that. Means it will have the minimum value only. So that minimum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a, means this value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. Okay, this is 4ac minus b square by 4a. So that value is available when x is equal to minus b by 2a. So if that x is equal to minus b by 2a, so then this corresponding value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. This is the value of the y and this is the value of the x. So this reaches the minimum value at x is equal to minus b by 2a. This is the graph of it. Understand? And the point where the graph meets on the coordinate axis. So this is on the x-axis. We know that on x-axis y is equal to 0. No? On x-axis y is equal to
Yes,
0.
sir.
Y is equal to 0 means x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. X square plus bx plus c equal to 0 means that is the equation. Means the points where the graph meets on the x-axis are the solutions or the roots of that equation. Suppose if the 4ac minus b square by 4a is below the x-axis, this value is negative because this is below the x-axis means y value is negative. No? This is the negative y-axis.
Yes.
4ac minus b square by 4a is below the y-axis, then compulsorily that graph has to meet the x-axis at the two different points. Two different points it has to meet it. In certain cases, that equation will have the two different real roots. So the two different real roots, those are say alpha and beta. Right? So that is when the minimum value is negative. The minimum value is the negative, right? Suppose the minimum value is equal to 0, the graph will be like that. This is the minimum value. Suppose this minimum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a, that is 0 only, na? On the x-axis y is equal to 0, that is available at x equal to minus b by 2a. So that's why this point I can write that minus b by 2a comma 4ac minus b square by 2a. So if it means on the x-axis, means the minimum value is 0. Y is equal to 0 here, right? And the minimum value is the 0. At how many points it meets on the x-axis? Only one point.
1
Means it
point.
will have only one solution, one real solution it will have it. In certain cases, we'll say that the roots are equal. The roots are equal. Understand? Bolo?
So they are 4a.
4ac minus b
b
square
square
by
upon
4a.
4a.
उसको डेल्टा मतलब डिस्क्रिमिनेंट अपॉन 4a लिख सकते हैं ना, माइनस डेल्टा अपॉन 4a,
लिख सकते हो minus delta by 4a.
माइनस डेल्टा अपॉन 4a.
4a, good. Means if the graph meets on the x-axis, means if its minimum value is available on the x-axis, means minimum value is 0, then that expression will have only one real root. Means in certain cases you can say that the roots are equal. Okay. Suppose sometimes the entire graph may lie above the x-axis. Means the minimum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. Na? If it lies above the x-axis, it
Yes.
is positive. The minimum value is positive, then that entire graph lies above the x-axis. If it lies above the x-axis, then it is not going to meet on the x-axis. It is not going to meet on the x-axis means the roots it does not have any real root. Means the roots are complex. When the roots are complex, what is the condition then? B square minus 4ac
b
is
square minus
less
4ac
than
is
zero. Less than 0. That is the condition. Remember that? When the expression x square plus bx plus c is positive, it is always positive means y is positive. Y is positive means for all the values of that, if the curve lies above the x-axis, the curve completely lies above the x-axis, it is not going to meet on the x-axis. That's why it does not have any real root. It does not